QV7 is a steam generator ideal for domestic use, equipped with a suction function. This technology, called Dry Master, allows the operator to vacuum and dry up perfectly the surface treated with steam. In addition, the machine's exclusive InfiniVac system offers the possibility to adjust the suction power to obtain an even better cleaning result. The boiler has a capacity of 1.5 liter, which develops 6 bar of power thanks to a pair of heating elements of 2400 Watt in total. The boiler is equipped with the exclusive non-stop system technology, which facilitates the continuous supply of water within the same, while the click-and-go system allows to start working within a few minutes from the ignition of the machine. Our exclusive Flow Master technology makes it very easy to manage steam and allows to decrease or increase its flow according to real needs. QV7 is equipped with the exclusive VAP Filter system, a technology patented by us that duplicates the cleanliness of the intake air. In fact, in addition to the normal water filter, the machine is equipped with a steam filter that eliminates microdust, pollen and mates. Additionally, a special technology called Airfresh-tec allows you to clean and perfume the air inside your home, office, etc. Join STI. Join the steam revolution.